Hello everyone. Hey, it's really exciting. We can open the studio again on Monday, the 12th, to the public again. Yay! Meanwhile, we're still in lockdown, so I wanted to introduce you to another one of my new best friends. This time, it's the pied wagtail. Now, I see him every time I go to the post office, almost every day, because he runs up and down the esplanade. Now, the last thing he wants to do in any circumstance is fly. So the closer you get to him, the faster he runs away. And when he does fly, he doesn't fly far, just a few feet, just to get out the way. So this piece, which is dedicated to him, shows him running along. Here we are. We've got 5 positions again, and then the 6th position, just to show it's a cycle, and we're back where we started. He's on Viking Bay. Lovely sand, sea and sky, but a moody sky this time. Not happy summer sunny sky, but a bit bleaker in the winter. I love it like that. So my next question to myself is, I wonder what he would look like were we to film him.